right, Shannon, what's going on here? What are you doing there? You don't like the way that seat feels, so you're going with the stick?
The seat is not willing to stay up today, so.
I felt bad for you, man. We'll have them up here.
This is how you do it on the Appalachian Trail.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Here's where we gotta go.
All right, so we got a marker there.
Here, hold on, someone hold on.
Kurt, you want to hold his bike there? I got to get this video. Did you bring the bandsaw?
No.
And first we're going to have to chew through that stick.
Thinking right there. Here we go. This is all
right.
break.
Precision here.
Oh yeah.
All right, yeah, perfect.
Look at that.
Perpendicular cut.
Man,
These
God is
nature
with
terrible,
me.
aren't they? Hector Nash stuff too.
No, you can't. We still need a rock.
You think that stick's going to hold up to the force here?
Well, it's yes.
All right.
We need a rock though.
Did you use oak? Good hardwood?
Oh man, you need a walnut.
I like
Walnut, dude. They
Oh,
just
it's
shoved
in
all
right
the way
there.
down
Really?
into
It's in
your.
right there.
Yeah.
Here. So do we measure that
We're
wrong?
just messing around.
Wait for the girls to get here so they don't
Oh, that slide right over the top of that.
a bit of a light.
I don't know if it did. It did.
Oh, you got it back out of it? Or no, that's.
It's a little too tall. It's a little too. You need me to saw it? I seem to do really good at that.
Where's MacGyver when we need him?
This is MacGyver. You don't need it.
Chuck MacGyver.
Paul?
Yeah.
We gotta kind of get to like close to.
It's like a binary search here.
Down to
To another.
Yeah, green.
All right.
Right, that's about right. Hold on.
Tighten it down.
You think you need to tighten it down? It might be too high, so don't get too crazy. That's what I'm saying. Just let me ride at 10 feet.